Hello friends, so in this video we will discuss A-level mathematics, that is Cambridge International Edexcel and AQL board exams students, very helpful. And the topic you can see here is it's a quadratic equation and functions. By me it's Aditya Kumar, and I run a tutoring agency like Brilliance Tutor, and I have a platform Mathematica where I teach mathematics. So let's do these topics. The topic introduction is the welcome to the foundation of advanced algebra. In A-level mathematics, mastering quadratic equation is a non-negotiable. They are stepping stone to calculus, kinematics, and a higher level function. A quadratic equation is a polynomial of degree 2. It's a degree 2. The word quadratic comes from Latin word quadratus, meaning square. Quadratus meaning square. Okay. So whenever we throw a ball, design a satellite dish, or optimize a business for maximum profit, and you are dealing with quadratics. The graph of quadratic equation form a beautiful symmetrical curve called parabola. So quadratic equation graph is always in the form of parabola, which is either opening in upside or opening in downside. Key definitions and formulas, concept, formula forms. Like standard form, we have ax square bx plus c equal to 0. So general identification of coefficient is abc. ABC are the coefficient, and quadratic formula we have x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Finding the exact root when the factorization is possible. And then we have a formula for discriminant, b square minus 4ac, to determine the nature of the roots without solving the equation. Alright, then we have vertex form like ax minus h square plus k. Easily identify the turning point like h comma k of the parabola. That will be the vertex form. I hope that's clear. And highlighting the formula, so line of symmetry, we have x equal to minus b upon 2a to find the line of symmetry. Okay, for this formula we can get the line of symmetry also. And concept of explanation, why behind the maths, why do we have different method to solve the same equation. Like factorizing, factorizing is like finding destination using known shortcut. It is a fast, but it is only works with the numbers are friendly like integers. Complete square method, rearranging the equation so that variables x only appear once. This is a physically shift from our perspective of graph to easily spot its peak or valley like vertex. Quadratic formulas, we have quadratic formulas to solve this one. Visualizing the discriminant like b square minus 4ac. If it is a positive, the square roots have two distinct numbers like plus and minus. If b square minus 4ac is 0, then the square root is 0. Adding or subtracting 0 does nothing. The parabola have a perfectly kisses and the x-axis at exactly 1 point. And when the discriminant is negative, we cannot take the square root of the negative number in the real number. So parabola has no real roots, that will be imaginary roots, and the parabola floats above or below the x-axis. It will be not cut on anywhere on x-axis. So that will be either up or below the x-axis, never touching it. And then we will get never any point. Real life application like physics, projectile motion. When you kick a football, its height is h over the time t, perfectly modeled by a quadratic equation like ht equal to minus gt square plus vt plus s0. Here economics, maximize revenue or minimize the cost, often result in quadratic curve where the vertex represent the minimum price point. Minimum price in economics and in physics we will use the real life application. And step by step to solve the examples like this one, finding the numbers that is multiply minus 14. So here is minus 5 and its coefficient is 1, so that will be 5 into 2, that will be 14, and there some subtraction will be minus 5. So minus 7 and minus 2 give the answer 5. So this is the equation, set 5 equal to 7 and x equal to 0. We will find that. Completing square methods we can also find, like y equal to 2x square plus 12 plus 15. So factorize the coefficient of x square from the first two terms. Y equal to, first we have to take the common, so it will be x square plus 6x, and here it will be 5. Then we have to make it a square of 2x plus 3 whole square minus 9. So we have to add minus plus 9 and minus 9 to make it perfect square. Okay. So it will be 2x plus 3 whole square minus 18 plus 5. And when you multiply 2 in 9, that will be minus 18. So it will be 2x plus 3 whole square minus 18 plus 5, that will be minus 13. So turning point of vertex is a minus 3 and minus 13. Minus 3 is the minus b is this one, and this is a 13. So minus 3 and 13, that is a turning point vertex. Common mistakes what we should avoid, like phantom negative. When using the quadratic formula with negative b, the student often forget to this one minus minus b, because positive become positive. It is a b equal to minus 3, then minus b equal to 3. Illegal expansion, believing that x plus 3 whole square is x square plus 9. False. You must violate x plus 3 and x plus 3. So this will be this one. And dividing by x, if you are going to divide x square equal to 4x, never end by x to get x equal to 4. We lose the roots of x equal to 0. So always factorize, not divide. Okay. Tips and shortcuts. The vertex shortcuts, x equal to minus b upon 2a to find the x coordinate. When the plugging it into back to the original equation, we find the y vertex y. Discriminant first. If the question asks find the point of the intersection, calculate b square minus 4ac first. If it is a negative, write no real roots. A line does not intersect, or save yourself 5 minutes of calculation. First find the intersect. And graph sketching. A positive a means happy, U shape parabola, or negative a means sad, N shape parabola. So this is all about, and in the question part we will discuss in the next part. So if you like my videos and you want same kind of video for A level, just please subscribe and like and share with your friends. I will provide you much more questions on this topic. Thank you so much guys, and also please recommend me how is my teaching, what I can improve in this part. Thank you so much.